Looks like it's fall, y'all. Come on, come join me for my new adventure. Hey YouTube, hey everybody. Welcome to Designs by Bella. Oh, I know, it's the same. Y'all know the deal. You all know that you're coming over from the other channel to this channel to figure out what we're doing. I know. The video is the same. We are decorating for fall. We are getting ready for fall. I just wanted to make a new entrance to this video so you all know. Now, if you just happen to stumble by on this channel, my name is Bella, and this is my channel. I welcome you. Welcome. Today, I'm going to be showing all the new things I've done in the house, and we're doing some light decorating for fall. I've changed things up. I also have another video up. If you're new and you just happen to stumble by, I'm going to leave that video linked down at the end of this video so you can see what I've done. And also, I will be posting videos on this channel and the other channel simultaneously. They'll just have different entrances so you can all understand where I'm going with all this. And we're gonna try and figure out all the logistics that YouTube has to offer. So welcome to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, like, follow, share, the whole thing that you need to do on YouTube. And welcome, and let's get right into the video. Well, it's not really fall because it's like a bajillion degrees outside, but hey, we're calling it fall. I moved the stuff I told you I was gonna move. So I moved the big wall unit there. I'm gonna take you off the tripod. You're gonna see I put the little credenza that I wanted. You'll see it needs work, but you'll see. I also went and bought fabric for the chairs. I want you guys to see the fabric and tell me what you think, what my ideas. And I've done a little bit of light decorating, and I also want to do some light decorating on the couches, like put the pillows up and stuff and make it, you know, a little more festive. I moved my fireplace. Okay, so I'm gonna take you down off the tripod. I'm gonna show you what I did. I'm gonna show you my direction of where I'm going, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I wanna start right here. Let's jump right in. So you've seen the chairs. Let me show you my thing. I bought new foam for the cushions because the foam on the cushions was missing. So I bought 2 of these. Hobby Lobby, great price. Okay, here's my fabrics. This is fabric number 1. It's, I think it's beautiful. It has wonderful texture. I think it's gonna look fantastic. This fabric is gonna go on the back of the chair for interest right here. So that's where this fabric is gonna go. This fabric is going on the back of the chair. And then to coordinate with it, I got this linen blend because it also matches my sofa. You see that? I mean, not 100%, but yeah, whatever. This kind of linen blend. And I'm gonna put this on the front of the chairs. Now, I got these both for a great deal. They had the this one was clearance, so it was $7.99. And this one was 40% off, $7.99 with 40% off. Altogether, y'all, I didn't spend much, but I'm gonna show you what I bought. Wow. So, okay, let's go this way. Okay, I did some light decorating and a purchase. I bought this mirror. What do we all think of it? I personally love it. I think it's beautiful. Hobby Lobby. It was originally $169.99. And I got it for $16.99. Y'all, it's metal. It's so beautiful. Look how beautiful. Oh, there's my outfit. Haha, there's me. There I am. Hi, y'all. Okay, what did I do? I kept my vase. I moved it from over there to over here. I moved my lamp just to give it more interest. I left my candle holders. I left my little picture on its easel. See its little easel? It's black. Okay. And I took out the spring florals. I left the eucalyptus and the berries. Oh, it's kind of blurry. Okay, and I added these fall foxtails, I guess they're called. I don't know what these are called. Why is my camera being silly? Anyways, okay, I don't know. Then I took away all the stuff from down below and I said, Bella, I'm gonna keep it nice and neutral. So what did I do here? These are the lanterns from my shop. I don't know if some of you remember or don't remember. These are tiny little wreaths I put on the bottom of my lanterns, and I just added these pretty fall candles that I've had for years, and that's it. And I think it's nice and simple, and it does its job. And do you remember my orchid? I'm gonna go get it, but it broke, and I just glued it back together. I'm gonna put it right there, my little black orchid. And I think my entranceway looks nice. Okay, and I'm gonna flip you around, you see the rest. Okay, so don't mind the colors and don't mind what's going on here, because this needs work. I need to paint it. I still need to paint more black, and I'm gonna marble the top. You'll see it. You don't worry, you'll see everything. So I moved the fireplace from there. I put the fireplace back to its original thing. But I was kind of like playing with ideas on to see like what would look good and what wouldn't look good in this area. I think it's small, y'all. It's small, but it'll do for now. Then I added these gorgeousness. Hobby Lobby, y'all, you can't go wrong with this. I love it. I love my vase. I've had it for years. I guess I was a pioneer in this kind of like old world, new age decor, but I love it. Okay, let me flip you around and not make you dizzy. Okay, so I moved the fireplace there. You'll see it. Now, I just plopped it there, okay? I moved the mirror and I put the fireplace there. None of that is staying. None of that. And I've been cleaning and organizing, and there's my desk. A lot of people want me to do a video on how I made the desk. Maybe, if I have time. Or we'll do it in January. We'll see. We'll see when we do it. Sorry about that. So there, the desk, the fireplace is back to its original spot. I'll show you right there. Okay, so it's back to its original spot. And then some real life for you all. I moved that piece that was where the fireplace is over there. But now don't mind the bins, because we're getting ready for fall. We got to bring all the bins out. When you walk in the house, I'm going backwards so you can get an idea. When you walk in the house, this is what you see. This is the sight line, okay? So you see a big piece of furniture there and a big piece of furniture there. So it kind of balances it out, and that's what I wanted. And there's a glimpse of my coffee table. Okay, what did I do? So simple, y'all, so simple. I added this black vase that I have there. Do you see my pretty vase? That vase used to be teal. Yeah. And I chalk painted it, and I distressed it, and I did the whole thing. And then those florals are from Hobby Lobby. And then that little black container is from Walmart. It's a planter. And I added some little, I don't know, faux pampas grass. And then I have the knot, and I have my candle sniffer. And then I have this pretty plate with a candle. And I light my candles, y'all. I really do. I light my candles all the time. So that's my coffee table. On the bottom, there's magazines and a little floral thing. Okay, my sweet friends, I don't want to take up too much of your time today. I wanted to jump on, tell you what's going on, what I did different. So as you can see, I'm starting to, sprinkle in fall. I am going to do an early fall, and then I want to bring in all the pumpkins, okay? So right now, I'm just kind of bringing in some leaves and a little bit of texture and a little bit of warmth and stuff. I didn't do the pillows because you know what? I opened the storage bag. Like, I have my pillows in one of those vacuum seal bags, and it popped in the garage. and they smell and they're awful. And so what I'm gonna do before I put them on the couch, because I don't want things to smell, I'm gonna wash them. I'll wash them this weekend, and then I'll put them on the couch. So we'll do some of that light decorating on Monday. And then I want to tackle my bookcases. I really, really want to tackle my bookcases. But I also want to tackle the fireplace, because I think for me, the fireplace gives you that cozy fall vibe. I think it'll do that first and foremost. Like I said, the dining room is not gonna really change. I'm gonna add florals, but I'm leaving my blue and white and gold. My blue, white, and gold is gonna stay the way it is. I'm not changing it. I don't want to. It's so pretty. I don't want to. I'm gonna add stuff to it. But I'm not changing the blue and white. Like, I'm not what I used to do in the past. Like, I would take everything out of the wall unit and start from scratch. That I reserve for Christmas, because Christmas is king around here. Yeah, so we'll do that on the weekend. So now, like I said about the other channel, I'm gonna leave it linked here, linked down below. You'll find it. Anyways, I want to wish you all a happy weekend. Have a great weekend. Do something you love. Make yourselves happy. Take some time for you all. Do something great for yourselves, because we're just so much going on in the world today. It's insane. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed my time back. I've missed you all so much. I can't believe how much I miss you all. The comments, y'all, your comments are just super touching. Okay, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Do you want to see me reupholster the chairs? Do you actually want to see that done? Because I really want to show you how to do it. It's so simple. And then I know you want to see me decorate. I know. I know. I truly know. Anyways, I love you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I'll catch up with you soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. Have a great weekend.